Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video we are solving problems on matrices. Given problem is find K1 and K2 such that the rank of the matrix is 3. Friends, here you observe, given matrix I am considering as a mat A. Okay friends, given that A is equal to 1 minus 2 3 1 2 1 minus 1 2 6 minus 2 K1 K2. Right. Here you observe the matrix A is having 3 rows and 4 columns. Now we have to find rank of the matrix in generally. But here they are given already rank of A is equal to what? 3. Rank of A is equal to 3 means from the echelon form we can say the number of non-zero rows is equal to 3. The number of non-zero rows is equal to 3. So to find the unknown values K1 and K2, I am applying elementary row operations. So first, round up the first diagonal element. By using the first diagonal element, make the below the diagonal elements are 0. For that we have to apply R2 tends to, here you have a 2. So how can you make it as 0? 2 minus 2. So for that R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. Here you have a 6. So R3 tends to 6 minus 6 is 0. So R3 tends to R3 minus 6R1. So the first row is as it is. We are not applying any operation. So I am writing the first row 1 minus 2 3 1. And the second row I am applying R2 minus 2R1. So write down here minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next 1 minus of minus plus 2 into 2 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Next minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next you have a third row R3 tends to R3 minus 6R1. So write down here minus 6. 6 minus 6 0. Minus 2 minus of minus plus 6 times of 2 is 12. So 10 K1 minus 18 K2 minus 6. Next, here below the diagonal elements are 0. Now coming to the second diagonal element. By using this second diagonal element, make the below the diagonal elements are 0. For that we are applying R3 tends to, here you have 10, here you have 5. So 10 minus 10 is 0. So multiply with 2. Now R3 tends to R3 minus 2R2. Is it clear friends? Now write down the first row is as it is because we are not applying any operation. What about the second row? Second row is also as it is. There is no change because we are not applying any operation. Now I am applying the operation on third row. So 0 minus 0. Here I am writing minus 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. Next 10 minus 10 is 0. K1 minus 18. This is plus 14. So what you are getting? K1 minus 4. Next this is K2 minus 6. Here minus 0. So K2 minus 6 is the third row. Friends, here you observe below the second diagonal element is also 0. First diagonal element below the elements are 0. Second diagonal element below the element are also 0. But here you observe third diagonal element you have K1 minus 4. Here what they are given rank of the matrix? Rank of matrix is 3. From the echelon form we can say the number of non-zero rows are 3. Here you have first non-zero element, first non-zero row. This is also non-zero row. So it should be non-zero row. Third row is also should be non-zero row. When you can say third row is non-zero row means if the cases is, here you observe friends, first case K1 minus 4 not is equal to 0 and K2 minus 6 is not is equal to 0. Then you can say third row is not is equal to 0, non-zero row. Third row is non-zero row. In this case rank of A is 3. So you can say K1 value is not is equal to 4 and K2 value is not is equal to 6. And the second case is also there. Second case is K1 is equal to 4. What will happen if K1 is equal to 4? This term will be 0. But if K2 not is equal to 0 and if K2 is not is equal to 0, suppose it is 3. It is 0. So you can say 0 0 0 3 is also non-zero row or not? Yes. In this case also rank of A is what? 3. Next you have a third case. In the third case K1 is not is equal to 4 friends. K1 is not is equal to 4. So if I consider K1 is 5, 5 minus 4 is 1. K2 I can consider as a 6. If I consider K2 is 6, what will happen? This is 0. Now we observe 0 0 1 0. So in this case also rank of A is 3. So how many cases you have here? 3 cases. What you can say? If K1 and K2 if K1 not is equal to 4 and K2 not is equal to 6, this is the first case, and you can say either K1 not is equal to 4 or K2 not is equal to 6. Is it clear? So in that case also rank of A is 3. So these are the possible cases we have. Is it clear, friends? Right. Thank you for watching this video.